Should your business have a YouTube channel? Well, in many cases, I think the answer, maybe surprisingly to some of you, is yes. I think there's some tremendous opportunity on YouTube for many types of businesses. When we first think about YouTube, often what comes to mind is the entertainment side of the platform, the things like the video gamers my kids watch. But in reality, when we look at who comes to YouTube, yes, there's that group that comes for entertainment, but there's also a significant segment that comes to YouTube with questions, and they're looking for solutions to a problem. And when I look at what is on YouTube in terms of business niches, I think there's a lot of room for growth there yet. There aren't a lot of people in specific industries answering specific types of questions for their industry. So whether it's HR or marketing or plumbing, there's a little bit of stuff around the trades because you can actually give a demonstration through a video, but there isn't a lot in many different types of professions. So I do think there's a lot of opportunity. Of course, one of the added bonuses is as your channel grows and you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 viewing hours, which isn't as daunting as it seems, well, you can generate some revenue through ads on your YouTube channel. It's an additional stream of income for your business as well. What stops people from getting started is they fear that they don't have the time to actually create the content. And I want to just let you know that that shouldn't stop you. You can start with just your smartphone and you can do that right now. And you don't have to worry about a high standard, high production value type of video. When you look around at some of the educational videos on YouTube, a lot of them are just talking heads, right? Like I'm doing now, and the lighting's not spectacular and there's no fancy graphics or anything. It's just somebody sharing their expertise and maybe showing you a little bit about what you can do to apply that expertise in your own circumstance. So whatever industry you're in, do some educational stuff around your product or your service. And the other thing you could do is you could talk to some of your customers, your clients, and get a little bit of social proof. Do an interview, right? Get them on a Zoom call and record the Zoom call and talk to them a little bit about how your product or service benefited them. And that social proof is going to be tremendous in terms of convincing future customers that you're the person to go to for that particular type of product or service. The other thing it will help you develop is brand authority. When you position yourself online as a thought leader, especially on a platform like YouTube, remember the stuff on YouTube lives forever. It's an evergreen platform, so you can direct people to your videos over time, and YouTube hopefully will also favor you in search if you're doing things properly with keywords and titles and descriptions and things, and we'll talk about that in another video. You will get traffic and you will gain that position in the space that shows you as an expert. And that really helps your business over time because customers are going to look to come to you as opposed to maybe somebody else in the same space because you've taken that time to position yourself and deliver some value. So lots of benefits for YouTube. You can also link those videos to other things you do in the online space. If you're writing articles on LinkedIn, or if you're writing blog posts on Tumblr or Medium or some other platform, then you can tie in those videos to help enhance the message you're delivering to your audience. So I do think as you grow your digital footprint, as you enable yourself to be discovered in the online space, having a YouTube channel really can be a tremendous benefit for your business.